We'll guide you through how to show and display FPS in games on a PC in the Nvidia app. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Being able to go and see the FPS is really convenient, as you can then go and see the results and the performance of your system with how it's performing with the game. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide so you know what to do, and we'll then show you what it is like at the end. So to get started with this, you need to go and have the Nvidia app on your computer. So you can press search at the bottom and go and type it in. You can see there it is. If you don't have it, that's fine, as this is a relatively recent thing. So what you want to do is go and open up Google Chrome or whatever web browser you're using, and you want to go and type in Nvidia app. You can then download the Nvidia app for gamers and creators, then press download now and it will go and download. Then you can go and find it in your downloads in your file explorer, and you can go and install it like any other app. Then what we can do is go and open it up. So just press search at the bottom, type in Nvidia app, and we can then open it up. Here we are, it's now loaded. Now what you need to do is go and head to the settings. So on the left, go down and press settings. Now you want to come into features, and at the top you'll see overlay. What we need to do is we need to go and make sure this is switched on, so go and switch it on. You can then go and see the shortcut here to open it up, and that is Alt-Z. So I press that on my keyboard, Alt and Z like so, and this side piece then comes out. In here, you need to go and find the option for statistics in the bottom left. Now what you can do is you can go and see there's a switch here, and also the toggle shortcut is Alt and R. But what you want to do is go and choose what they're going to go and show first. So come down to statistics view, and you can then switch across here. So you can go and show the FPS, you can show the basic, so these different options. Then you've got advanced, DLSS, custom, which I use, and you can then go and choose what you want. As I showed you before, you can go and toggle it on or off in the top left. You may not want it on the whole time, which is why the shortcut toggle is going to be useful. I'll show it in a moment. And what you can do is go and press configure, and you can then go and choose where it is. So for me, it's the upper right, but you can go and change that to center right or wherever you want. Then you've got these different edit options here as well. Choose the size. I could make it large. Choose the font color as well, whatever makes more bold for you. And you can scroll down here and adjust it to your liking. Now we can go and close this by pressing Alt-Z. Let's go and head into a game like so. I'll go and make this full screen. Now if I go and use the toggle shortcut, Alt and R, you can go and see it then goes and appears. I can go and see it in the top right there. And of course I can press it again to go and hide it. So it's that simple. And of course, what you can do is go and choose the statistics which show with the FPS, but the FPS is the most important one for me, but there may be others you want as well. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. We've got loads on the channel and loads more to come as well, so I'm sure there'll be something which will help you out. Have a great day, and I look forward to catch you in the next one. Feel free to go and put any suggestions down below as well.